Hey guys, I am Amrita Varsini and I hope you are all doing well. So this video is going to be a very generalized video about the personal learnings I got from a train journey. So to give some context, I am not a person who used to travel every day through train because I go with my father for even college or school every time. So when I get an opportunity to go for intercollegiate competitions, only that time I use public transports. And the first time I got on a train alone, I learnt a lot of lessons, and eventually whenever I travel in train, it became a classroom which I never signed up for. So the first learning that I got from the train journey is train journey is similar to life journey. You will get to meet a lot of people throughout the journey. Some people will come early in your life, some people will come late in your life, but they are going to leave once their destination comes. For example, you have boarded a train in Goa and you are getting off the train from Chennai, and if someone is going to get down in Ernakulam, Kerala, their destination is that they are not going to change this because you are their friend. So not everyone will stay and come with you for a very long time. Everyone has their own destination. Between the journey you can make the friendships, but you cannot expect everyone to travel with you all the time. This is the very first lesson. The second one is the comfort level. Not every people will be having the comfort of sitting throughout the journey. Like, let's take the example of the local train. Some people will be having a seat right from the time they enter the train till the time they leave the train. There are second type of people who are having discomfort in the initial stage. They used to stand, and after later they might get a seat. And there is also another type of people who keep standing throughout the journey. The it it uh, refers to the uh, life quality of life which you are living. Some people are rich, some people are middle class, some people are very lower class people. They can't afford everything, they have struggled a lot, but ultimately if we are reaching the destination irrespective of the struggle, that's the main point of our journey. So the next thing is about the scenarios. When we're traveling in a train, there are a lot of scenarios, right? We get to see a lot of things. These are the situations in our life. No, none of this situation is permanent. Everything is a passing cloud. Just because today I'm having a bad day, it doesn't mean tomorrow will also be a bad day. Tomorrow might also be a better day. So this is one. This is the third lesson which I learned. Then fourth lesson is about how important it is to grab the opportunity as and when possible. So I was traveling in a train, and I was sitting, like I was standing and I was waiting for a seat. And when someone stood from their place, I just thought I'll slowly move there and sit there. But within fraction of second, some auntie came running and sat there. So it just shows the limited opportunity but unlimited wants of people. There are a lot of people who want opportunity to be coming, but if they don't act quickly, they lose the chance, they lose that opportunity to move forward, right? So it is very important to be vigilant and catch your opportunity at the right time. Then the fifth lesson which I learned is about the missing a train. Okay, so sometimes we might go late. Sometimes it happens that I enter this railway station at that time, and a train is crossing. The train which I am destined to go is crossing by my side, and I feel very sad. But does that mean that my journey is cancelled? No, it is delayed, but my journey is not denied, right? So a small delay in our journey is uh, it's okay, because if you're missing this train, it means the train is not for you. a, a right train is going to come your way. You have to just wait. So that's the lesson which I learned. Even if I run behind the train, well, is anything going to change? No, I'll just fall down on the track and hit myself, right? So better if I wait for 5 more minutes. If I wait for another, I can pass the exam, right? So this is one thing. And this is the every time I travel in train, I learn something or the other, and I hope I'll keep sharing all the lessons with you guys. And the last lesson as of now is the journey is greater than the perfection. Anyway, if we are moving forward at least one step in life, it's better than standing there and being a perfect person. So this is the lesson which I wanted to share with you all, and I hope some of the lesson might at least have sparked uh, interest within you, and you will feel a bit motivated. And let me know in the comments if you are also interested to hear more such gentle lessons also, so that I'll keep posting you videos about the creative things, about how nature is teaching us, even a small example analogy based videos. Thank you so much, keep supporting, drop your comments, drop your thoughts, and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.